Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D4, chapter number 2, exercise 2A, that is about application of Venn diagram in everyday life. In this lesson, I'll solve intermediate level question number 10. Let's read the question first. It's really important to read and underline and understand the question. The question says that as the questions are long, so I've written the question in short form. Question says, a number of people were asked whether they like the drinks of orange, lemon, or grapes flavor. Their replies were shown as under, that 85 liked orange, 65 liked grapes, and 90 liked lemon, 45 liked orange and lemon, and 40 liked lemon and grapes, and 30 liked orange and grapes, and 15 liked lemon, orange and grapes, and 25 liked none. Here it's important to underline and understand that what and where is the role of this 25. Next question says, find the total number of people interviewed, and the second part is number of people who liked orange alone. The next part is the number of people who liked lemon alone, and the number of people who liked grapes alone. For the understanding of this question, we have to understand that in this question we are given with three different type of flavors. So in order to draw the Venn diagram, we will be drawing three intersectional circle. For one circle for the orange, and one for lemon, and one for grapes, and they will have some common portions only. If we look at the information that 15 like lemon, grapes, and orange, so that 15 will be written in the intersectional portion of all three circles. Then coming to the question says that we have to find the total number of people interviewed. We can see that information consists of two types of the data. One type of data shows the information for those people who have shown liking for different flavors, but these 25 people are also interviewed, but they have not shown the liking for any type, so their information will be coming in the universal. And in order to find the total people interviewed, after finding the total number of people who have shown the liking for different flavors, we have to add that 25 to that answer as well. Coming to the solution, it's always good to write the data in small form. That what does the set O stand for, or letter O stand for? O stands for the people who liked orange flavor, L the lemon flavor, and grapes. G stands for the symbol, G stands for the people who liked grapes flavor. Now the number of people who liked orange flavor is 85. The number of people who like grapes is 65, and then lemon is 90, and the number of people who liked orange and lemon is 45, and lemon and grapes is 40, and orange and grapes is 30. Now if we look at this portion, this is the portion which is common to L and O, lemon and orange. So if we look at the information for the intersectional portion of lemon and orange, information is 45. Out of these 45 people, there will be some people who will have the liking for all three types of flavors as well. So the number of people who like orange and lemon alone will be 45 minus 15, and this will be equal to 30. And coming to lemon intersection grapes, which is 40, this portion is having the value 40, but out of those 40, 15 have the liking for all three flavors. So 40 minus 15 will give me 25, and these are the people who like lemon and grapes only. And for orange and grapes, total people is 30, but out of that 30, 15 have the liking for all three types. So the number of people who like grapes and orange only will be 15. I'm taking away 15 from 30. Now in order to find the total people interviewed, the first part is total people interviewed. Total people interviewed interviewed will be equal to number of elements of O union L union G, total people, number of elements of O union L union G will be equal to number of elements of O plus number of elements of L plus number of elements of G minus number of elements of O intersection L minus number of elements of L intersection G minus number of elements of O intersection G plus number of elements of L intersection O intersection G. Now number of elements of O 85 plus L is 65 plus G is 90. If you look at these three factors, they have minus sign common, so write it outside. 45 plus 40, 45 plus 40 and plus 30 and plus 15. Now add up these values carefully. 85 plus 65 plus 90. 85 plus 65 plus 90 equals to 240. 240 minus 40 plus 40 is 80. 85. 85 plus 30 is 115. 115 plus 15. Okay, and I'm having 240 minus 115 plus 15. If you want, you can join these two values. Otherwise, you can use the calculator. Take away 15 from 115 and I will left with 100 only. 115 minus 15 is 100, and when 100 will be taken away from 240 and I will left with 140. Number of elements of O union L union G. This 140 is the answer for those people who have shown the liking for different flavors. So total people interviewed equal to 140 plus 25. 140 plus this 25, which is equal to 165. I hope you are clear about this part. Let's move to the second part of the question that says that the number of people who like orange alone and the grapes alone. Okay, then for the second part, number of people who liked orange alone. For that purpose, what we have to do, we can see this circle is for the orange, and total people who are showing the liking for the orange is 85. Number of people who liked orange is 85. So what I will be doing, A plus 30 plus 15 plus 15 equals to 85. This will become A plus 30 plus again 30 equals to 85. A plus 60 equals to 85, and A equals to 85 minus 60, A equals to 25. 5 and 2. So the number of people who like orange alone is 25. Now the next part, that is the number of people who liked lemon alone. Third part, lemon alone. Lemon alone. So now look at the circle for the lemon, that is containing the elements B plus 30 plus 15 plus 25. Now the total for the lemon is 90. Number of people who like lemon is 90. So what I will be doing, that B plus 30 plus 15 plus 25 will be equal to 90. Then B plus 30 plus 15 plus 25 equals to B plus 70 equals to 90, and shift this to other side. B equal to 90 minus 70, which is equal to 20. So the number of people who like lemon alone will be B equals to 20. I hope you are clear about this part. And the third part is who like grapes alone. The next part is people who like grapes alone. So grapes alone, number of people who like, total people for the grapes is 65. So what I will be doing, C plus 15 plus 15, 30 plus 25 equal to 65. C plus 5, 55 equal to 65, and C equals to 65 minus 55, which is equal to 10. 5, yes, 10. So the number of people who like grapes alone, C equals to 10. So write the values at the respective places. A equals to 25 are the people who like grapes alone, B equals to 20 are the people who like lemon alone, and C equals to 10 are the people who liked grapes alone. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lesson, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.